Now come to Schedule 8. In this schedule, there is a provision of 22 official languages which are mentioned under the Constitution. So there is a list of 22 languages that is mentioned under the Constitution. You can see the list. So you have to learn this list because the question also came in the exam. Like examiner will give you 10 or 12 languages and you have to select them which one is a part of schedule 1 and which one is not. So to solve that question you have to remember this list. Now let's talk about original constitution. In original constitution earlier how many official languages were included in the constitution? So it was only 14. Okay, and after that government did so many amendments in this schedule 8. So later this number will become 15 and then 18 and then now finally it is 22. Okay. So earlier it was 14 in the original and later it become 15, 18 and 22 with the help of amendments. Now which amendment included in this schedule to become this number 15 and 18 and 22? This question also appear in the exam. So here I am going to give you a list for the amendment. So first of all, according to 21st Amendment Act 1967, Sindhi language was included. So the number became 15th in the series. So which is the 15th language in Schedule 8, which was amended in 1967 21st Amendment Act. After that, 71 Amendment Act 1992, Nepali, Manipuri and Konkani. These 3 languages were included. So number of languages became 18. Okay. Finally, 92 Amendment Act 2004. Dogri, Bodo, Maithili and Santhali. These 4 languages were included. So the final number of official languages became 22. Okay. So in the exam question from this part definitely appear in your exam. So keep this in your mind for always. Now if you don't know why these 22 official languages included in this schedule, so the answer is these are the working languages for government. Like there is a government in Bengal. So Bengal government has the right to prepare their government documents or make their laws in their Bengali language as well as English language. So each state of India has the right to prepare their government documents in their own local language also. Next schedule is number 9.